Woodworking is a craft that has been around for centuries, and it continues to be a popular hobby and profession for many people today. With the right skills, tools, and creativity, woodworking can also be a lucrative way to earn money. For those looking to turn their woodworking passion into a profitable venture, there are numerous project ideas that can yield high profits. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and unique designs, woodworkers can create items that are not only functional but also appealing to potential buyers. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a woodworking project ideas to make money and high profit as a woodworker pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the most popular woodworking projects that can generate significant income is furniture making. Custom furniture pieces like tables, chairs, and cabinets are always in demand. People often seek unique, handcrafted items that stand out from mass-produced furniture. By offering custom designs tailored to individual preferences, woodworkers can command higher prices. For instance, a beautifully crafted dining table made from reclaimed wood can attract buyers who appreciate sustainability and uniqueness. Additionally, providing options for customization, such as different finishes or sizes, can further increase profitability. Another profitable avenue in woodworking is creating home decor items. These can range from simple picture frames to intricate wall art or decorative shelves. Items like wooden signs with personalized messages or quotes are particularly popular for home decor enthusiasts. Crafting seasonal decorations, such as holiday-themed items, can also be a lucrative niche. Many people are willing to pay a premium for handmade decor that adds a personal touch to their homes. By leveraging social media platforms to showcase these creations, woodworkers can reach a broader audience and increase sales. Garden and outdoor projects present another excellent opportunity for profit. Items such as garden benches, planters, birdhouses, and outdoor furniture are always sought after by homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Customizable options like adding built-in storage or specific dimensions can attract more customers. Furthermore, creating products using weather-resistant materials ensures durability and longevity, which can justify higher price points. Engaging in local farmers markets or craft fairs can also help woodworkers showcase their outdoor creations to potential buyers in their communities. For those with a knack for smaller projects, crafting kitchen items can be both enjoyable and profitable. Wooden cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays are popular among cooking enthusiasts and make great gifts. Unique designs, such as engraved cutting boards or personalized serving trays, can significantly increase perceived value. Moreover, focusing on high-quality materials like hardwoods not only enhances the product's appeal but also allows woodworkers to charge more for their craftsmanship. These kitchen items often attract buyers looking for eco-friendly alternatives to plastic products. Toys and children's furniture represent another lucrative market within woodworking. Handmade wooden toys have gained popularity due to their durability and safety compared to plastic alternatives. Crafting educational toys that promote learning through play can be particularly appealing to parents. Additionally, creating custom furniture for children's rooms, such as beds or play tables, can tap into the growing demand for unique, high-quality children's products. By ensuring all items are safe and non-toxic, woodworkers can build a reputation for quality and safety that resonates with parents. Pet products are another niche market that woodworkers can explore. Custom dog beds, feeding stations, or pet toys made from durable materials can attract pet owners who want high-quality products for their furry friends. By offering personalized options, such as engraved names or custom sizes, woodworkers can create unique items that stand out in a competitive market. Promoting these products through social media channels or local pet stores can help reach the target audience effectively. In addition to creating standalone products, woodworkers can also consider offering workshops or classes to teach others the craft. This not only generates income but also builds a community around woodworking. By sharing knowledge and skills with others, woodworkers can inspire new enthusiasts while earning money through class fees or selling supplies needed for the projects. Hosting workshops in local community centers or collaborating with schools can help reach potential students interested in learning the art of woodworking. Another innovative idea is to create DIY kits that allow customers to assemble their own projects at home. These kits could include pre-cut wood pieces, instructions, and necessary hardware for various projects like birdhouses or simple furniture. This approach caters to the growing trend of DIY enthusiasts who enjoy crafting but may not have the tools or skills to start from scratch. By providing all the materials needed for a successful project, woodworkers can tap into this market while generating additional income. Sustainable woodworking is becoming increasingly popular as consumers become more environmentally conscious. Woodworkers who focus on using reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials can differentiate themselves in the market. Products made from reclaimed wood not only appeal to eco-friendly buyers, but also often have unique character and history that add to their charm. Promoting sustainability in marketing efforts can attract customers willing to pay more for eco-conscious products. Collaborating with local businesses can also open new avenues for profit. Woodworkers can partner with interior designers, real estate agents, or home decor stores to showcase their products. Offering exclusive designs or creating custom pieces for these businesses can lead to increased visibility and sales opportunities. Additionally, participating in local art shows or exhibitions allows woodworkers to network with other artisans and potential customers while showcasing their work. Online marketplaces provide another excellent platform for selling woodworking projects. Websites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade allow artisans to reach a global audience without the overhead costs associated with a physical storefront. Creating an online presence through social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest can further enhance visibility and attract potential buyers. Sharing behind-the-scenes looks at the crafting process or showcasing finished products can engage audiences and drive traffic to online shops. When it comes to pricing woodworking projects, it's essential to consider all factors involved in production. This includes the cost of materials, tools, labor time, and overhead expenses like workshop space or utilities. Understanding the market value of similar products helps ensure competitive pricing while maintaining profitability. Offering tiered pricing based on customization levels or size variations can also cater to different budget ranges without undervaluing craftsmanship. Marketing plays a crucial role in turning woodworking projects into profitable ventures. Building a brand identity that reflects quality and craftsmanship helps attract loyal customers. Utilizing social media platforms effectively allows woodworkers to showcase their work visually while engaging with potential buyers through storytelling and customer interactions. Collecting testimonials from satisfied customers and displaying them prominently can also enhance credibility and encourage new sales. Networking within the woodworking community can provide valuable insights into trends and best practices for running a successful business. Joining local woodworking clubs or online forums allows woodworkers to share experiences and learn from others in the field. Attending trade shows or industry events enables artisans to connect with suppliers, distributors, and fellow craftsmen while keeping abreast of emerging trends in woodworking. In conclusion, woodworking offers numerous opportunities for generating income through various project ideas that appeal to different markets. From custom furniture and home decor items to pet products and DIY kits, there is no shortage of creative avenues for profit. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, sustainability, and effective marketing strategies, woodworkers can turn their passion into a thriving business venture. Whether selling at local markets or online platforms, the possibilities are endless for those willing to invest time and effort into their craft while exploring innovative ways to make money as skilled artisans in the woodworking industry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.